Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, we are going to do a monthly reading for the month of September 2025 for Pisces. This will be a general reading, guys. So, please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. Alright, so let's see what do the cards have. In this reading, we will cover the overall energy for the month, key obstacles, challenges, actions, advice, your strength, and the probable outcome. At the end, we will also take a guiding message from the Angels and Ancestors deck. So please do watch till the end. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you get the notification whenever I post a video or a post. So let's see what do the cards have for you, Pisces, for the month of September 2025. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Bottom of the deck, we have the World card. So for some of you, it can be there was a cycle which was completed. For some of you, I strongly feel there was a karmic situation which you have come out of, learning your lessons, and it was a closure of a particular situation in for some of you it can be in your work life, it can be in your love life, anything basically, but there was a cycle which was completed. कुछ complete हुआ है. There is energy of closure. That is what I see is happening. For some of you, I feel there was a karmic situation you are dealing with, which has now completed. Yeah. Well, now let's get into the reading for September. So I see there is this energy of happy go person. Okay, you are somewhere having this energy of starting something. For some of you, I see you are प्लानिंग टू स्टार्ट समथिंग न्यू. आप कुछ नया शुरू करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. आपने जो पहले काम किया है उस पर आपको ग्रोथ सक्सेस मिलने के बहुत अच्छे चांसेस हैं इन द मंथ ऑफ सेप्टेम्बर, बिकॉज द सन इज शाइनिंग ब्राइट. ओके, सो थिंग्स आर वर्किंग इन योर फेवर एंड you are in this energy of working. It's like not in the energy of waiting but in the energy of working. Okay, that is a very good thing. So once you have this energy and something, for some of you, I think you're going to start something new. It can be a side hustle other than your work. It can be something which you are, जो आप बहुत पहले से वेट कर रहे थे कुछ शुरू करने का, एंड नाउ यू आर फाइनली टेकिंग एक्शन फॉर इट. आप फाइनली उसके लिए एक्शन लेने के लिए आप रेडी हो, एंड you will get the success. It's like you are starting everything like a innocent child, right? Everything with a pure intention, focusing on your growth, focusing on your happiness, not thinking of others or having this energy of other people around. Rather, you are completely focused on your own growth, your own happiness, your own success, which is a good thing sometimes to do, right? That is what I see. The key challenges here are, as I said, something was over, right? Something got completed, something ended, and whatever that end was, it was somewhere painful. Okay, and it's like, see, it's like the dark night and the sun shining bright, right? So it's like something has ended, which may sometimes pop up in your mind, or if it is coming in your mind again and again, you need to see whatever you have learned from it, even if it was painful. See, endings are not never happy. Okay, it's very rare. It's normally said happy endings, but some things are not always happy ending, right? So it's like जो ख़त्म हुआ है वो आपको हो सकता है बहुत पेनफुल रहा हो आपके लिए, और उसके मेमोरीज और थॉट्स आपके माइंड में आ जाएंगे बार बार, बट आपको उस चीज़ पे फोकस नहीं करना है. आपको उस चीज़ पे फोकस करना है कि आप उससे बाहर आ गए हो, एंड नाउ यू आर वर्किंग ऑन योर ओन ग्रोथ. यू आर वर्किंग ऑन योर सेल्फ फॉर योर हैप्पीनेस, फॉर योर ओन ग्रोथ इन योर ओन लाइफ. सो आपको उस चीज़ पे फोकस करना है, ना कि इस चीज़ पे. जो चला गया वो चला गया, एंड देयर में बी अ सिचुएशन, अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ है, समथिंग was about to end, has not ended, there are chances something might complete, and that end will be a new beginning of something good. Okay, so just try to be in this energy of learning from the experiences and moving ahead. Okay, another thing for you I see is there is, for some of you there is a proposal coming in. There is a soulmate energy, I strongly feel. And also I see you are also having emotions for somebody, and somebody may have the equal kind of love, care for you as well. So I see you, there are chances that you may, end up committing in a relationship, or make taking your relation to a new phase. Okay, maybe marriage के लिए भी chances है कि your marriage might get fixed, or you may propose somebody and you will get the positive response from that person. In your work life, I see people will support you. You will get, support, and whatever support it is, emotional, financial, whatever it is, you will get that. And there are, in your emotions, you will feel good. Basically, emotionally you will feel happy, you will feel stable, you will feel good, and there will be nothing like, okay, I don't have this. That is not the energy I'm seeing. Okay, so you will be basically having whatever is ended has ended, and now there is a new phase starting in your life. अगर आप किसी से अपने इमोशन शेयर करना चाहते हो, so there are good chances that you will meet somebody who will understand you, जो आपको समझेगा, सुनेगा और आपको जज नहीं करेगा. There are also very good chances of meeting somebody new. Okay, if you are looking forward like that. If you are single, I see somebody proposing you proposing to somebody, and it can turn out in a very positive way. Okay, so there are chances somebody is looking at you from afar. Maybe they are looking at your social media, and now that person will come to you and express their emotions to you. That is also I see. For you, there is guidance that you need to be very creative. Okay, you need to be very you need to have new ideas, you need to use your creative skills. For some of you, I see, if you are trying to start something, there are chances you may start something new through a social media. Okay, it can be, if you're an influencer, if you're a blogger, there are chances you are planning to start something new and you will get success in it. At least you will take the first step if you have not taken it. Okay, वो भी मुझे दिख रहा है कि आप, अगर आपने कोई डिसीजन नहीं लिया अभी तक, आप सिर्फ प्लान कर रहे थे, सो चांसेस है कि आप उसके लिए स्टेप लोगे. ओके, तो कुछ मूव हो रहा है, आगे की तरफ मूव हो रहा है, उस तरह की एनर्जी दिख रही है. ओके, सो देयर इज समबडी हु मे रीच आउट टू यू थ्रू सोशल मीडिया ऑल्सो, आई सी. ओके, देर इज़ अ नीड टू फाइंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज़. अगर आप अपॉर्चुनिटी का वेट कर रहे हो, तो शायद वो वेटिंग एनर्जी इज़ नॉट गुड. तो आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को ढूंढ के उनको ग्रैब करने की ज़रूरत है. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो द मैसेज आई एम गेटिंग. Outcome here is that you will get the success, you will feel fulfilled, emotionally happy. For some of you, I see, I don't know, I'm getting this message to take care of your health if you are not. So if there is if you are in this energy of there is for to some of you there is this stress eating kind of thing, right? So if you are having that, you need to focus on your health also, and you need to be open to communicate. Okay, be expressive, be open to communicate and work on your emotions wherever there is a need. Express your love, and it will make you feel good, and the people you are talking to, it will make them feel good too. Okay, so there is a very good energy of feeling good and having this happiness that finally what I was, जो मैं इतने टाइम से करने का ट्राई कर रहा था या कर रही थी, finally I could start working on it, and you will feel good about it. Okay, that is what the energy is for you, Pisces. It's a very good reading. So it's like there is no energy of waiting, rather there is this energy of taking a step or taking action to make your plans come into execution. Oh wow, I will take one card which has fallen first, which is trust your talents in changing time. As I said, right, if you are trying to start something new in social media, influencer, blogger, or something new, trusting your talent, it's time for you to start taking action on it. This is no coincidence that this card has come up. To start something new, you need to have full trust, full faith on yourself, or trust your skills, trust your talent, and take an action, and you will get success. This also tells me that you need to be like a fox. Okay, just always in this hunting energy of trying to this start something new, how can I make it better, how can I be more creative. Okay, so that kind of energy you have to be in. Okay, so that's the reading for you, Pisces. Please do claim the positive energy from the reading. Please do like my video and subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.